So it's time to update. It's been about a half hour since I made the last video. We have two on the fence. And then we start looking down and there's a few there. Another one just flew up. And then we go around the corner and there's more. Look at that. Those are not flitterbirds, boys and girls. Those are baby quail. And it just made my day. All told, a few minutes ago, I counted 40. And that was at that time when we had about 10 adults out here. But that's our evening look this evening so far, July 4th. Every once in a while. So as you can see, we got 4 adults right there. Another one coming over here. And then some more over here. And then more over there. And then if you look right there, there is a serious shitload of little ones coming. Pardon my French. You can see them all running in. Oh boy, and there in the background, the commercial of my dreams, My Pillow guy. Looks like everybody's out this evening.